It's too early in the morning.
What time is it? It's 7 a.m. Featuring my Bible app notification and my brother.
7 a.m.
We're waiting for Han and Tran and Melanie. They're a bit late, but
We're
it's
in
okay.
Melissa's room. She's
They're
her.
Guys, they painted my toenails white.
Not for free.
Not the spray.
Okay.
Okay, bye. See you in the next part.
Not food poisoning. Where is she? Still in. Right, she's still.
Good morning. Oh my gosh. They've been in the same car. How random.
We're about to be on the
because like we'll be back at like the same time. Pretty much.
Go, 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 go. Whoopsies. Shut up, your English is bad too sometimes.
Wait, what did I say yesterday? I said something like on the way to Noosa.
소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 전생고 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서 부은 눈이 너무 아름다운 너희들로 조금만 더 누워있길 바래 조금만 이제는 어디까지 보다 잤지 여기서부터 다시 보면 되겠지 난 틀어놓을 테니까 이 영화를 넌 보며 먹을 맥주 한 캔과 과자를
Hi guys.
I'm gonna try the street first.
Street
Waiting. We got a park.
And don't take this
They're
long.
literally brushing their hair like they're going, surely.
Wait, what's going on here? Oh, they're trying to chuck a yo-yo there to get back in. So it's this car back down. What's this guy doing? The parking here really needs.
He's leaving. Tell them to.
Which one?
This.
This one.
Call waiting too.
This lady is pissing me off. Oh my god. Drive forward. What the dog do?
Get out of the car in the rain.
Yeah, that's so true.
You want to hold your towel? It's okay. You want to leave the towel?
Why is that?
It's too heavy.
It's raining. Because it's raining. It's raining.
I want yochi.
It's like
I want yochi.
I'll let you know what I
Uh-huh.
I brought my film camera. It's so good.
What are you looking at? Yeah, I'm not doing boxing.
Wow. What? Wait, what are you doing? Did you expand?
Well, wait, you were wanting to do that. Look at her face.
Why is super healthy? Mine looks like
Is that a nut?
Yummy? How is it?
it's really good.
Really, really
You're sad because your vitamins are so low. And then they realize it's not fine. They got this stuff. Nice like you.
Yeah, why don't you ask one?
It should. Wait.
It's all the difference. Now we are going to the beach. We are going to the beach? Beach? Cheers! Where'd it go?
How's it?
It's good.
It's good? Yeah, let's go.
Kaylin!
Yay, they're here! Haylin style vlogging. I already can tell that she's vlogging. Come! Quickly, it's melting. Where are you guys? How does it taste?
So good.
No.
Well, yes.
But I don't think it did anything.
Am I in it? Please tell me. I'm literally like leaning over like this.
Alright.
The other one's too dark. Maybe you gotta go from Melissa's like, wait. Change the ISO.
How do I change the ISO?
So go into ISO? Melissa, you can edit that, right? You can,
It's all good in my eyes, and then I won't be able to see. So I'm just gonna have to hold on to one of you.
Guys. Hi guys, post swim. Can you see how tan I am compared to Haylin?
The thing with me is like my tan doesn't. Me, I'm all dry. Why can't I be oily? Oh, I don't like that. Stop it! Put your legs down.
Yeah.
Can you look aesthetic for once, please? The sun literally went away.
Hi guys.
Hi, Kaylin.
Bye. The whole family came out.
No, we cut off at the best bit. This is the second one. There's more energy in that one.
Yeah, I like that one.
Hi, now we're at this restaurant because we were craving fish and chips. So nice. They're ordering. We didn't order more chips. It's already this much. Wow. Wow. And then we have salad. Massive comparison. Oh my god, your tongue is pink. Did you already get it? Crazy.